Ay, that's true. Sobrang hirap, pero kinakailangan. You may now deliver it.
Habang hinihingi.
She was okay.
Parang unanimous na.
Naging masusi at idol judges. Judges, kailangan namin marinig ang inyong Judge again.
Ang napili namin na Kiddie Hopeful namin ng napakalaking potensyal. Gulat na gulat talaga po siya.
Idol judges, alamin natin sa pagbabalik ng
Bomb us tonight by using the official hashtag of this episode.
Yes, my name is Shai Gomez.
And I am Emilio Diaz at kasama ng highest average score from our studio audience, na si Shai!
Congratulations! Thank you so I want
Yes.
to know, I don't see. Basta hindi ko happy. Happy!
Pero ngayon, balikan natin yung performance.
Yes, nervous siya. Pero siya din yung highest average. But I want to know, paano sobrang bagay naman talaga sa boses mo? Kasi po, ng pangarap. Kaya po napili ko na rin po kasi.
Grabe, may sentimental value. So ngayon, punta naman tayo sa live semifinals. Makakapasok ka na doon, paano ka maghahanda para dito?
Magpa-practice po ako ng... Yan! Yun, gusto ko yan. Please, judges, you're the best po.
Yeah. Congratulations again, Sean. Deserve na deserve mo pumunta sa
What's up, Parang Karan? Just visit Idol Philippines' official social media account on Facebook.
Spotlight every weekend.
Kita Idol Karan.
And your voice, we are also judged sa amin at sa audience. Kasi gusto ko lang sabihin yan para maintindihan din ng lahat ng tao na nag-shops.
third and before you proceed.
Congratulations!
Live semifinals!
Congratulations! Napasaya tayo. Maraming salamat sa tonight at sa Idol Judges.
My name is Robin Amigo, together with the very iconic semifinals.
That you will become like an Disney princess.
All the dances and grooves in the song. That's really nice.
If your voice sings, your face speaks.
Alam mo, sa ganda ng boses mo habang pinapanood kita, hindi ako magtataka na one day marinig kita sa radyo.